Hi friends, this is Yatesh Choudhary. Welcome to the first part of Keil Software tutorial. Keil Software is used for microcontrollers programming. So we can write a program for a microcontroller, we can compile that program and we can debug the program for various microcontrollers like 8051, ARM controller, etc. So where we are going to start is we are going to start with project. We have to create a new project for our program. Before starting a new project, we have to close the project, which will be a default project. When you install the software, there is a default project installed. So that project we have to close first. So once we close this project, now we have to start our new project, So it will be, we have to go to the project tab. We can go for new tab, new project. Once we click the new project tab, we will get this window here, create new project. So we have to write the project name, this and this space. So I'm going to write the name as LED. We don't need to write any extension for this. For this project, the extension is already a default extension, that is .uv2. After writing this name, I have to check where I'm going to save this project. So this project is going to be saved at this location inside C drive, Keil folder, inside C51, examples and hello. Why we need to check it? Because when we are creating the hex file for this project, it will also be saved at this location itself. If we don't know where our project is being saved, we will not be able to find our hex file easily. So we have to browse through our computer and find out where we have saved it. So once this is done, we have to save the project. When we click the save button, it will open the select device for target 1. So here we have to select the microcontroller on which we are going to work. So we have to select the company first, which company's microcontroller it is. If you are using a Atmel microcontroller, you can go for Atmel. If you are using a Philips microcontroller, you can go for Philips. So as per your microcontroller, to select the device. I usually use Philips microcontroller, so I'm going to Philips. So the microcontroller which is usually used is P89V51RD2. So I have to select that microcontroller. I'll say it OK. Once I say it OK, it will pop a window which will ask us to add some startup code. But we don't need a startup code. We are going to write our own code for this project. So I'll say no. Now I'll go to the target. So it will create a target 1. If you get the plus sign here, it will say that source group 1. Source group 1 is a folder where we are going to store our source files, programs. Before going to write the program, I need to make some changes here in target. So I'll right click over it. It will say me option as options for target 1. I'll click this option, this tab. In this, we have several tabs like device, target, output. I'll start from device. In this device, we can see that which device we have selected. If we have forgot to select a device, we can go here and select a device. If you want to change the device, we can change the device also. But what we have chosen is here. So we can see the target thing. In target, we can see this crystal oscillator frequency. Whatever crystal oscillator we are using on our hardware, that crystal oscillator frequency we have to write here in megahertz. If you just are writing a program and want to just debug the program here, then it's not an issue. You can keep it anything, leave it default itself. But if you are going to burn this program in the microcontroller on the hardware, then you have to make it according to your hardware. So now I'm going to output tab. In output tab, we have an option called create hex file. So this we have to tick, because if we don't tick it, it will not create a hex file. So if I take this create hex file, it will create a hex file when I build this target for this project. So once I select these things, I can say OK. So now my project is completed. I have created a new project. Now I have to write a source code, and I have to use that source code in this project that I will come up with in the next part of this tutorial that will be coming soon. You can see that video also on our YouTube channel. Bye for now.